Hello students, good morning. Now we are going to study the, the activity, one of the activity, that is the activity of dilution of the potassium permanganate. As you know, the potassium permanganate is a crystalline substance, and you can see that it is very finely divided powder. So this is very finely divided powder. Now we are going to dissolve this potassium permanganate in a beaker. Now we are having these 4 beakers, and these 4 beakers containing 80 ml water each of the beaker. Now what I will do, I will take a small amount of the crystals of the potassium permanganate, very small amount. See this much amount of the potassium permanganate. I am having this potassium permanganate, and I have taken this much very small amount of the potassium permanganate, and I am going to add it into the water. Now see that the color of the potassium permanganate has changed. Potassium permanganate is now the purple color, or we can say it is a violet color. Now the whole solution has become now violet colored because of the particles of potassium permanganate are dispersed or dissolved all over the water. So now what I can do, I will take the 10 ml of the potassium permanganate in this measuring cylinder. This is 10 ml measuring cylinder. I will take the 10 ml of the potassium permanganate solution in this measuring cylinder. So I have taken the potassium permanganate solution, and in the case of the colored solution we have to see the upper meniscus. While measuring the colored solution, we have to see the upper meniscus here, and I will add the solution into the next beaker, which is containing exactly the same amount of the water. Now what will happen, I will see by addition of this purple color solution. So the color of the solution now become here also purple color is there. Now but the difference in between the two colors, you can see that it is more dark color, the purple color, but it is more dark color, and it is less dark color is there. Now what I will do, I will take another test tube or another measuring cylinder, and I will pour the solution exactly 10 ml in it. So I have taken the 10 ml, and I will put it into the next beaker. In this next beaker I will pour into the 80 ml of the water. Now see, there is a difference in between the 3 colors. This is more dark, this is less dark, and this is it is a dilute solution of the potassium permanganate. Now further what I will do, I will take further 10 ml of this diluted solution, 10 ml of the diluted solution. Okay, and I will pour this into the next beaker, 10 ml of this solution, and I will pour this solution into the next beaker. Next beaker is also containing the 80 ml of the water. Now what is the difference here? This beaker is also containing the potassium permanganate particles, but this beaker is containing very few, very negligible, or we can say negligible amount of or we can say that very few particles of the potassium permanganate is present in this beaker, and the highest number of the particles are present in this beaker. So that, and how I can predict it is containing highest number of the particles, because the color is more the color, more will be the number of particles. Lesser the color, lesser will be the number of particles. So from this experiment, from this activity, we understood that the particles of matter are very small in nature, and it can produce color to the very large amount of the water. So understood, this is the purpose behind this activity.